All right, late Saturday afternoon, April 25th, 2026. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Oh, I love your feedBOK, darling. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I get camera shy, but when I'm working on art, she starts giving a beautifully foul FOWL art criticism. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Yesterday I thought this was done, but I realized just a minute ago I hadn't said the Lord's Prayer. Give us this day our daily gefilte. Yes. Yes. Thinking about Alvin, the 2 times we got together, like between November 68 and January 69, January 69, we didn't talk about our backgrounds. And it wasn't until I began working on the drawing, I may have mentioned this in one of the first or second video parts, I looked up Tamarkin on the internet and read it was an East European Jewish name. I didn't know that. Anyway, so he was, in Yiddish, a landsman, member of the tribe, MOT. All right, I thought this was done, but now I'm adding a couple of things here. When I had it hanging up over there, I noticed the gap between the 2 frames, and I had this old detritus wood and pulled nails out, and that works nicely in there. It actually works nicely in terms of the coloration and everything else. All right. Wow, what fabulous feedBOK from Dr. Chi. She's named after Carol Spohr, a late ornithology staff person at the Burke Museum at the University of Washington, where I drew wings for years. And Heather Ivy Wright, a library co-worker of years, who was very fond of birds. And when she was in her last year, she died of cancer in about 2009, I gave her 2 cockatiels. I believe it was cockatiels, which she enjoyed while she was able. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Beautiful. How about you, Prime Minister Mouthful? We got any feedBOK over here? You're preening? Okay, don't worry. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. So the next time I video this, I'll have it up on a vertical white wall. All right.